Hello everyone, I'm from Guangzhou Yosun. Today I will show you a set, customized for overseas customers, Croissant automatic production line. After the fully automatic pastry machine has finished opening the pastry, place the dough on the Croissant conveyor belt. Using conveyor belt drive, transport the dough to the homogenizing device. The skin leveling machine can adjust the thickness of the dough. The thickness of the dough is generally 3 to 5 millimeters. The dough comes out through the suspended device for trimming, then cut into strips. After the segmentation is completed, it is transported into the cutting mold. The size of the croissant is controlled according to the cutting mold, generally controlled at 30 to 80 grams. The cutting mold is replaceable. We provide a production line with 2 sets of cutting dies as standard. The conveyor belt transports the cut dough to the grabbing device. Our gripper device uses Swiss technology, able to grab the dough more stably and turn it around. Because the dough is transported in horizontally, therefore, the incoming dough needs a U-turn device for adjustment. Roll up the end of the triangular dough first. Make the dough roll tighter. The rolled croissants are transported to the plate arranger through the conveyor belt.